Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xfinity Gateway modem. First, unbox your Xfinity Gateway and find the coaxial cable. Connect one end to your wall outlet and the other end to the cable in port on the modem. Next, plug in the power adapter and wait for the modem to power up. Give it a few minutes until the lights turn solid. This means it's ready. Now connect your computer using an Ethernet cable or connect to the modem's Wi-Fi using the default network name and password printed on the label. Open any web browser and you should be redirected to the Xfinity activation page. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete the activation. Once you're done, don't forget to customize your Wi-Fi name and password. And that's it. That's how to set up your Xfinity Gateway modem. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.